Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best robot vacuum cleaners for large house available right now. I made this list based on features, quality, price, and many more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for the best robot vacuum cleaner, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, Phoreal K11 Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Phoreal K11 Smart Sweeping Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Smarter full coverage, truly clean. The ultimate experience is only for a better understanding of your home. 3,600 pascals hurricane suction. Easily swept away large particles and small dust. With vacuum suction port, hair is unobstructed, no entanglement, clean up all kinds of little rubbish you can't notice. Infrared auto charge and 4,400 mAh long esteeing and low decibels noise and fluffy wet mop. Wi-Fi connection, app and Alexa speaker control, master the steering wheel in your hand, remote intelligent control, appointment timing, mode switching, visual maps, direction control, status monitoring. Gyro U-shaped planning, intelligently plan your cleaning route. Remote control, high quality technology, life new features upgrade. A comprehensive view of the visual map, focus on cleaning all corners and furniture, dark places, according to the preset mode, key cleaning. Smart speaker control, intelligent response to the master, support Alexa, Google Assistant speaker voice control. Expect to wake up, more home warmth. Smart anti-collision and anti-fall and 15-degree 2 cm obstacle crossability and low noise and slim body. The bottom of the sofa and bed is as clean as new, deep cleaning, machine height 78 mm for hard to clean blind spots to open the focus cleaning mode. No noise, 45 to 60 decibels, don't worry about noise. Fourth product on my list, Liectroux C30B Electric Water Tank Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux C30B Super Smart Partition Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux C30B robot can detect the entire environment around and then build up the map inside the CPU so that it do cleaning with plan from one room after another. Electric control water tank ensures even water seepage. The water seepage stops automatically if robot stops working. The huge water volume of 350 milliliters ensures continuous wet mopping up to 100 minutes. The design of interchangeable dustbin and water tank makes robot work more effectively and clean more thoroughly. The robot is with memory to know where has cleaned, while where hasn't, thus one-time sweeping coverage is more than 98%. The cleaning path repetition rate is about 1%. Humanized design with voice reminder. The robot will remind you when charging starts to do cleaning, full of dustbin or glitch, etc. High efficient cleaning, the suction power is pretty strong. The design of primary filter combining with HEPA filter avoids the secondary air pollution. Besides, the suction power is adjustable so that we could choose a quieter mode. Wi-Fi app controlled. The Wi-Fi connection is extremely swift, the app can show real-time working route of the robot. Modularized design is convenient for end users to maintain the robots by themselves. Fully enclosed body design ensures that the dust cannot enter into the mainboard, preventing the mainboard from being corroded. Third product on my list, Dreame D9 3000 pascals Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Dreame D9 Global Version Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Dreame has integrated a Japanese Midea motor into its vacuum cleaner robot, which is able to provide a super powerful suction of 3000 pascals. It is thus able to remove the dirt and clean deeply the floor and your carpets. To do so, it has 4 modes. The side broom has a speed of 190 RPM, allowing it to pick up every corner of the dirt. The microfiber roller brush is wide enough to collect all the dust on the floor or on the carpets. And the 570 milliliters dust container has a double filtration of particles up to 0.3 mu. The cleaning cloth is made of super dense microfiber. It provides antibacterial cleaning capable of removing 99.99% of bacteria for a healthier cleaning experience. 5,200 mAh battery for up to 2.5 hours of operation time, and extended further when combined with smart top-up function. This feature enables the Dreame D9 to top up for more power during a cleaning session. and continue the clean when the appropriate level of battery is reached. A 570 ml dustbin and a 270 ml smart electric water tank with adjustable water level for more precise mopping. The brand has decided to offer a 2-in-1 model which therefore has the cleaning function. The 270 ml electronically controlled water tank has a leak-proof water control technology. It has 3 levels of water flow that can be easily modified via the Xiaomi Home app: low, medium, and high. 4 levels of suction mode with up to 3000 pascals of suction power. Removable microfiber roller brush can easily be disassembled for easy access to remove tangled hairs and general maintenance. Second product on my list, Neatsvor X600 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Neatsvor X600 Laser Navigation 4000 PA Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Using the latest laser navigation technology, the robot vacuum cleaner creates an interactive map of the environment that can effectively plan cleaning. You just need to press a button to start. Ultra-high suction power of 4000 PA. This high suction power is not achievable by all existing brands, and single vacuum cleaner robots have medium and high prices. Compared with expensive vacuum cleaner robots, X600 can absorb 70% of dust and 30% of coarse dust better. The 600 ml smart mop system has 3 water levels to remove stubborn stains. Compatible with free app plus Alexa, you can control the robot through a free smartphone app or through Alexa or Google Home voice commands to observe the cleaning work in real time. X600 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Automatically detect the location of the cleaned location and the location of the obstacle. Therefore, there is no double cleaning and no collision with objects in the way. Advanced navigation technology guarantees twice the efficiency and twice the cleaning speed. You can also use your mobile phone to draw virtual boundaries on the map to distinguish cleaning areas or omit areas. The cleaning robot will clean where needed. First product on my list, Midea M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Midea M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner Home Sweeping 4000 Pascal Suction Cleaning. Midea M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, high-frequency vibration mopping the floor, powerfully clean dirt. 4000 PA large suction power, with high-frequency vibration mop, comprehensive cleaning. Laser scanning navigation, intelligently plan the best path. 30 sensors, intelligently perceive the environment. Large 5200 mAh battery. 500 high-frequency vibrations per minute to wipe the floor. 2 custom mops, move the floor by a large margin left and right. Compared with other robot mops that only slightly wipe the floor, the M7 Pro has a more efficient cleaning ability. Tukfun. It can clean all kinds of dirt, ketchup, coffee, juice, soy sauce. 4000 PA strong suction. Use Midea BLDC advanced motor. Optimize the air duct design. The air volume is more powerful. The double-sided brush design collects dust. The floating V-shaped main brush can clean the floor fan for deep cleaning. 65 decibels low noise operation. Add 3 noise reduction designs. The sound is comfortable and not annoying. The new LDS laser high flight system. Scan the room, build the room ground, and cover your room completely. Intelligently plan the best path. App intelligent control, Wi-Fi remote control. Automatically save the map. You can customize the cleaning mode, automatic partition, manual partition, area name. Designate the cleaning area, start regularly, and deep clean. Repeat the room 3 times. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth dual frequency remote control. Even if you are not at home, you can still remotely control it. 30 groups of sensors perceive complex environments in all directions and avoid danger. Automatically identify steps, 3000 plus escape solutions. Automatically identify obstacles. When the robot encounters a carpet, it automatically increases the suction power to max mode.